Hello, Clearbrown, North Dallas, 2022 C8 convertible, full wrap, XPEL, Ultimate Plus, full tint, XR Plus. The cabin's done in 30% front, and then the little back window done in 30 as well. And then coming over here to the windshields in 70 with the DynoFlex windshield protection on the top. So let's take a little look at the work that we do here. Obviously removing these badges so we don't have any lines around it. Covering up all these edges, meaning one piece, fully wrapped. No issues, guaranteed. Okay, so there you go, all wrapped in. Nice clean install. No markings, nothing. Coming up under this headlight, all wrapped in. Wrapping in around here, coming up around here, all the way wrapped down. We did all the sections on this. This is an optional item now, so we don't include it with the bumper price. These little black pieces, been like that for a while. They're separate. Most people don't want to do them because they're just plastic, but it's up to you. It's your car. You let us know what you want to do. Headlights obviously done. All the fender, again, wrapping in this edge. You know how many rocks are going to hit this little corner right here? That's wrapped. Coming all the way around. Coming around all these edges. All wrapped in. All wrapped in. We actually took these off on this one to do the S-Tech and wrapped them so they go all the way around inside under the piece. And then this roof strip fully wrapped into the windshield, both sides. And then the roof, all one piece. We don't use the kit where it seams it. And wrapping that all the way around, all the way inside here. Let's see. Gas cap all wrapped in. Let's get up close right here. That's what we want to see. Door all wrapped in. Let's get to the edge here. Let's just, it's locked. Hey, can you unlock this car for me real quick? Thanks. Automatic lock on the old Vette. And then coming up in here, all wrapped in. Here we go. Let's just show you an edge inside here if we can. They're really hard to see. How are we gonna see this? See, there's the edge right there. So you can see it right there, and it wraps underneath here. You can see it. And we'll come in, that's not gonna go anywhere. And it comes all the way down and around. And let's come over to the inside area. And we wrap this all the way into the rocker. These get done, the sill plates, those are nice. And let's see what else we got here. Rear bumpers fully wrapped in. All the seams, nothing seam, everything's nice and tight. Nice and tight, no big gaps. Corvette lettering in the back, comes off, goes back in the same exact orientation. The Stingray back in the same orientation. This guy here comes off and goes back in. Wings fully done, the carbon flash. So everything looks great. Everything's wrapped in here. Everything's wrapped in here. So it is, folks. Wrapping the edges, gotta do it. Everything's guaranteed, everything's in writing. All your installers should have factory warranty cards. You should receive a factory warranty card with your installation from the manufacturer. So XPEL has theirs, Suntech has theirs, 3M has theirs. You get to the substandard films, they don't have them. So and there's another one we're going to do here starting tomorrow. Get over there and take care of that C8. And so tomorrow, got 248s coming. We'll get those in here. And then we got a full 2500 Ford with a F-type, all full wraps. So there it is, folks. I appreciate you guys watching Clearbrown, North Dallas. Any questions, feel free to contact me, clearbrownnorthdallas.com or 214-414-3809, extension 1. Thanks.